Euphoria is finally coming back and season 3 promises to be darker, bolder and more shocking than ever. With Rue's struggles, Nate's twisted games and the fate of fans' favorite characters hanging by a thread, the hype is unreal. So let's break down everything you need to know before season 3 drops. Only here on Screen Explain TV. Euphoria fans, the wait is finally over because season 3 is officially filming and the updates are bigger and darker than ever. After years of delay, Zendaya and the gang are back and Sam Levinson has promised a complete shift in tone. Forget high school drama. This time it's all about gritty film noir world where Rue and the others step into adulthood, facing corrupt systems, moral choices and way more danger than before. But here's the real kicker. There's going to be a major time jump. The characters you've loved in every teenage messiness are growing up fast and season 3 is set to explore what happens when innocence fades and reality hits hard. Zendaya has even hinted that Rue's storyline will dive deep into her sobriety journey, but don't expect to be a smooth ride because this is Euphoria and things will definitely get messy before they get better. Returning favorites include Zendaya, Hunter, Jacob Elordi, Sydney Sweeney, Alexa Dami and Maud Apatow. But sadly, this season will feel very different without Fesco. After August Cloud's heartbreaking passing, Astrid, who died in the season 2 finale, Barbie Ferrier's cat, who has exited, and even Rue's family Gia and Leslie won't be back this time. Big changes are coming and they'll definitely shake up the storyline. But HBO is loading up with a fresh energy with brand new stars like global sensations Rosalia, Hollywood legend Sharon Stone, Marshawn Lynch, Kadeem Hardison and many more. So if you thought season 2 was wild, season 3 is set to introduce characters that will completely change the game. And here's the cherry on the top. The soundtrack is going to be nothing short of legendary. Labyrinth is back, but this time he's teaming up with the one and only Hans Zimmer. Just imagine the haunting beauty of Labyrinth's sound mixed with Zimmer's cinematic magic. Season 3 is going to sound as epic as it looks. Filming will wrap by September 2025 and Will Signs points to a massive premiere in early 2026. With new faces, shocking exits, a darker tone and music that could break the internet, Euphoria season 3 isn't just a continuation, it's a full-blown reinvention. And if you thought Rue's story couldn't get more intense, think again because the next chapter is about to blow your mind. Season 3 of Euphoria is set to push boundaries like never before and the drama is only just getting started. What are you most excited to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. This is Screen Explain TV signing off and see you in the next one.